Hey guys, this is not normal, but for my channel. But today I already unboxed Witch. Is that how you say his name? I probably didn't even say that, but then Ryan inside the. Well, I don't know. I think probably Ryan. So we'll get into them. Alright, so yeah, well. So these are pretty good, actually. See, yeah. It's 360 on this one. Let's show you. Sorry about the noise. Bottom, top, the same. Boop. So yeah, for sure, this is not what it color, and for sure. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. For sure, it's not what it fit on Hot Wheels tracks. Yeah, it's not what it fit on Hot Wheels tracks. So yeah. Pretty cool. But wait, why is still like this much? Well, I already show you what it looks like on the dogs, because apparently there's not the box for that one, I believe. Apparently they glow. They glow. Glow. Feel more, and made it. So yeah, I would get. Wait, let me just turn it off. I'm at the lights off. Oh my gosh, I cannot say anything. Off and sad. Oh wait, want me to turn this? Oh wow, hold on. I want to know could it do it, because you made a Luffy light. Hold on. Nope. So, hold on. So, Luffy, eat the Luffy. I'm doing 21. Effect. And whoa. Now I time for this one, dude. Oh. Do that. Now this side. And then that side. Oh. Oh, wait. Then this side. Oh, wow. In my eyes, the camera, they're not even glowing. Luffy, orange. Affect the Luffy. They're not glowing, but for you, these goobers. Luffy light. Tonight, that's the question button. And now I go to a super dark room. Oh wow. Luffy light. Luffy light. So looks like this one don't even glow. But this thing, she glow. Like glow. UV light. UV light. UV light. Alright, that glow. Don't know about you. Go eat the UV light. UV light. UV light. I know I spent all that go. Alright. So I recommend buying this art if you want to have glow in the dark and see this in your room at night. Or this, I recommend. But if you don't care for the oh my gosh, the glow in the dark, it's okay. But if you're a collector and you still don't have this, sorry, I'm not selling them. But yes, but still pretty cool. UV light. And see ya. Like is out. Bye. You could click off. UV light. UV light.